course, public servant ellu odogtare.
But the conduct of the
What
accused.
conduct, sir?
Not he.
406, 420, recovery of money ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಕೇಸು, promise to marry, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೆವೆನ್ ಎಲ್ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು?
Please,
ಸೆವೆನ್ ಎಲ್ ಏನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು?
ಇವರಿಂದ ರಿಕವರಿ.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್,
please.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನು ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪದ್ರ?
ಟ್ರಾಪ್ ಪಂಚನಾಮ drawn in police station.
ಮರ್ಡ್ರ
Not
ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತನ?
Yes, my lord, that matter where, my lord, yesterday they, my lord, supposed to file objection, they took time till today. And the court said, my lord, no coercive action orally. But my lord, this is a matter where, my lord, there is no demand, there is no acceptance, there is no, my lord, recovery. Or, my lord, work pending, there is no phenolphthalein test. This matter, my lord, we have challenged it under 482 also.
You are in custody?
No, my lord, interim bail was granted when initially arrested, then in charge court released me on bail. But after that prosecution files a, my lord, application for cancellation of interim bail, and also, my lord, they filed objection to the main bail petition. My lord, my interim bail application, my lord, they have sought for cancellation, that has been allowed. My bail application was dismissed. Against, my lord, now we have also filed, my lord, the stay application in this matter. Court yesterday, my lord, directed us to file stay application. Lord, there is an order which is in the nature of a appeal order or a revisional order. In charge court grants bail, my lord, interim bail. That has been cancelled by the regular court, making observation that, my lord, the in charge court is not justified in granting bail.
Lord, here the
Cannot sit in appeal
maintainability
and
of the
pass that
petition,
order.
Lord. There is an order for the trial court to surrender before the court. Without surrendering before the court, Lord, he has filed a 439 application.
ಏನ್ 13 ಏನು? Offense ಏನು?
7A.
7A.
He is a PSI, Lord. There was an order to surrender before the court. Interim bail was granted when he was produced before the court. And court has directed him to present on the court, before the court. And while thereafter we filed an application for, the ex parte interim order was granted initially.
Interim bail expert.
Yes. Then, Lord, we filed an application for cancellation of the interim bail. Then, Lord, the main application was also heard along with the interim, that application. And finally, the Lord, the court.
Bail was granted.
Bail was rejected.
The regular bail is rejected.
Rejected, and our application
Interim bail is
also
cancelled.
Cancelled.
Then, Lord, the court has directed him to surrender. Virtually, Lord, by virtue of the production, he has to surrender. Being a police inspector, Lord, he did not surrender. From the day, Lord, he is absconding. Now they filed an application under 483 is the regular bail when he is in custody. He is nowhere in custody, either in the police or in the court. He is absconding. He cannot take a discretionary order.
Lord, he was not well, my lord, he was taking treatment, my lord.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
Either I can, my lord, keep him present, my lord, that is not an issue.
No,
Lord,
Lord.
I am in the constructive custody of the court, my lord, that's what the Supreme Court also said. Lord, whenever, my lord,
Where
because,
constructive custody of which court, sir?
Lord, the trial court, because, my lord, my bond is there, my lord, my surety is also there, my lord, that has not been
But problem
cancelled.
is you are not there.
Lord, I will appear before your lordship even right now, my lord, if my protection is granted. Lord, they are trying to, my lord, arrest
ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಇದಾರಾ?
ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದೇನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. We can come and, my lord, appear before the court. But now they want to harass and humiliate me, my lord, that is what their intention. Lord, this is a peculiar
ಸೆವೆನ್
case.
ಎಲ್ ಏನ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ದು?
Please, Lord.
Lord, there is-
ಸೆವೆನ್ ಎಲ್ ಏನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಗ್ತಾರ ಅವರು?
ಇವರಿಂದ ರಿಕವರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Lord, there is a specific allegation that conversation in which he had demanded.
ಆಲ್ ರೈಟ್.
Please.
ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲೇನು ಬೇಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪದ್ರ?
ಟ್ರಾಪ್ ಪಂಚನಾಮ drawn in police station.
ಮರ್ಡ್ರ?
Lord, detail order has been passed.
What
The
detail
final
order, sir?
order has been passed.
Interim bail is cancelled.
Yes, and final order is also passed.
ಆಯ್ತು, regular bail is cancelled. Cancelled on what? Regular bail is rejected, interim bail is cancelled on what ground?
Lord,
Yes, sir.
the
It's
order has
like a
been
revisional
passed. Lord, being a police, the inspector, he has demanded for the
He has
filing
not
of B
demanded.
report,
There is
B
no
report.
demand at all.
And
That is on the merit of the matter.
yes,
Not a problem. Now, interim bail was granted. How can the other in charge court ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ?
how?
ಅದು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು?
Appellate.
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು?
Lord, the
Who should tell that?
main order has been passed.
Sir, interim bail ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು in charge court ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು?
Appellate. Here, Lord, the main order has been passed. There is no separate
sir,
order has not been passed.
No.
Cancellation of the interim
Regular
bail.
bail is rejected.
Yes,
What happened to the interim bail?
Interim was the separate order has not passed. It is culminated in the same order. Separate order ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Operative portion ಅಲ್ಲಿ cancelled ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Cancelled ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ
And the
separate
order it
order
says,
pass
my lord,
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
The in charge court has not assigned reasons ಅಂತ, like, my lord, revisional court or appellate
ನೋಡಿ,
court.
ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Where is the order?
Page 20 along with the memo we have produced.
13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ As a matter of course, bail will be granted, sir. As far as I have known,
Yes, my lord.
I've not sat for bail, but those are matters of course. Public servant ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡೋಗ್ತಾರೆ?
But the conduct of the
ಅರೆ,
accused.
what conduct, sir?
Lord, even though there was an order to keep
ಅರೆ,
the
keep
present before
surrender,
the
ಈಗ I
court.
will get him here. You will be satisfied?
His suspension is also recorded now.
Lord, the maintainability,
I can understand,
even
my lord,
I am
if-
assuming,
if there is recovery,
I am agreeing, Lord, if he
acceptance,
is
demand,
surrendered,
nothing.
Problem
then
is,
seeking a
bail,
regular bail, Lord.
406, 420, recovery of money ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಕೇಸು, promise to marry, ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ arrest. And bail refused by the concerned courts. Odd, sir.
The recent judgment of the Supreme Court, Satyendra Kumar until, where all offences were 7 years below, if custody is otherwise not required,
No,
they
this-
should be enlarged
sir,
on bail. That is the principle.
7A, 13 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? 7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಸರ್ವೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟೈಟಲ್ ಟು ಬೇಲ್. ಏನ್ ಪನಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನು 20 ವರ್ಷನಾ?
7 years.
ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್?
Lord,
His conduct is a different thing, it's not a problem. But he is entitled to bail, sir.
there is an order to surrender also.
Ale, that's all right, he is entitled to bail.
Lord, let him surrender before.
What
the
let him
trial.
surrender?
I will
Regular bail reject ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತು ಈಗ.
And thereafter.
Now ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ, where are you now?
But
We'll pass an order of anticipatory bail now.
please, my lord, I'll keep myself present on the next date of hearing before the court or today itself. Your lordship may pass over. Let them not take any coercive action, my lord. I will present
Coercive
myself.
action ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದನಲ್ಲ already. No, that's a
Kindly
different
see
thing.
the order sheet.
ಇಲ್ಲ,
I'll
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ.
make
ಅದು-
out the, Lord, from the order sheet,
Same, my lord.
the conduct, Lord.
Let them not arrest me, my lord. I will keep myself present on the next date of hearing.
There is an order, Lord, the
I will be in the
specifically
custody of
to
the
keep
court.
him
I will have
present
to
to the
observe
court.
about this court which has acted as an appellate court.
Yes,
I'll point out from the order sheet. Kindly see my statement of.
ಏನ್
I'll
ಮೆರಿಟ್ಸ್
pass.
ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಪ್ ಮಾಜರು, ಸ್ಪಾಟ್, ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್, what is all this?
That is there, not
Trap
signed off.
measure done in police station, that is also there.
ಓ, ಇದೇ ಕೇಸ್
Same case, sir. Same
No,
case.
it is not in the police station, Lord. What is
That
happened
itself
is,
shows.
while arresting the accused, Lord, the
The trap
Mahazar
measure.
was drawn partially at the spot. Then, Lord, the public were gathered at the place. Then the
Page 58.
police inspector is the local inspector. The public were gathered and started some
ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್
noise.
ಮ್ಯಾನ್.
And yes, Lord,
ಓ,
there, Lord, the conduct also reflects in the order sheet,
ಸಿಂಗಮ್
wherein the trial judge has observed that the conduct of the accused also in the order sheet. I'll pass on the order sheet.
Sir, kindly see page 58 for a moment, my lord. Arda DYSP office ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅರ್ಧ ಲೋಕಾಯುಕ್ತ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ.
No, bail is entitled. Yes.
I'll pass on
No,
the
no,
statement
sir.
of.
What is all this?
Page 58.
Alla,
kindly see.
there is a maintainability of the 480 to 483 is, Lord, if he's in custody, he's not there in the custody, either in the police custody or the judicial custody.
ಆಯ್ತು, we'll take it as 482. Yes.
It's filed under
Oh,
The file
483.
stay application of the impugned order, my
Will
lord,
not
of the
decide.
trial court, where the cancellation has.
He's not
Your
a
lordship
layman,
is-
Lord, he's
Sir.
inspector.
ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದವ್ರನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇವ್ರು 7 ವರ್ಷದ ಕೆಳಗಿರೋರ್ನಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಗಲಾಟೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಲ್ಲ.
Alla, I'll pass
Bail
on
is
the
a
order
matter of
sheet.
course in these things. Yes, Jagdish sir.
Only issue that when court directed him to be present, it
That's
is
the only.
obligation of him.
No, I will,
That's all right.
my lord,
That,
even
my
now,
lord,
my
your
lord, your
lordship
lordship may
has to-
protect my interest. I will come before your lordship and present myself.
He should have
I'm in
been,
the
he
constructive
should have
custody of the
respected the
court.
court order.
That's what the Supreme Court. also-
ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, constructive, not.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Should have respected the court order, that's.
And my surety and bail.
Why did you not come? ಏನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಅಂತ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಸಿಂಗಮ್
Next day ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ಲೂವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲ,
ಬಂದಾಗ
ಸಿಂಗಮ್
ಅವ್ರು
4
move-
ಇದು.
Lord,
And his
memo
bail
for
was-
posting ಗೆ oppose ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. And they opposed for posting. We moved for end of the list. They opposed. My lord, then court said, my lord, day after tomorrow. Then
His
yesterday
bail-
matter came. They
Bail
took
bonds
time
are
till
also
today.
cancelled. Even after the order, Lord, bail
All
bonds
right,
are also
we'll
cancelled.
post it before the regular court. You appear before the regular
Will
court.
appear, my
You will
lord.
not be
My-
arrested. Regular court will pass the order.
My lord, then my lord, the interim bail that may be
Interim,
extended. what has been-
I will restore the interim bail.
Very well. I have filed application for stay
ತಾವು
of the
ಯಾರು?
order.
My lord, I am for the complainant before the,
ಬೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
I am filing 301 application
ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರ್?
for supporting.
ಅಸಿಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿ.
Rowdy sheet.
ಬೇಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಜೂರಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಷನ್, ಹೊಸ ಜೂರಿಸ್ಪ್ರುಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಪೆಟಿಷನ್ ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ 301 to assist the prosecution. Where are we heading, sir?
Complainant is a rowdy sheeter, my lord.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು
I
ಇರ್ಲಿ.
opened rowdy sheet.
No,
I
no,
recommended rowdy sheet.
ಯಾರು
that is-
ಇರ್ಲಿ. What is your locus to come here, sir?
I am.
ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ ಯಾರು ಲತೀಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೆಂಟ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ.
Much
ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಲತೀಫ್.
Absolutely.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿರಿ.
If I stay
ಇದೆಲ್ಲ
application,
ಇಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. There is more than what meets the eye in this one. We'll tackle it in that petition. The petitioner,
I'll file my objections may be taken.
the learned counsel for the respondent Lokayukta files a statement of objections.
Statement and three objection to the other two
Statement of
applications.
objection, same is taken on record. The learned counsel for the learned senior counsel Arun Shyam seeks a day's accommodation to go through the objections and make his submissions. The petitioner is alleged of offence punishable under section 7A of the Prevention of Corruption Act. The issue in the list is not with regard to the merit of the matter. The concerned court grants an interim bail. The in-charge court hearing the bail applications for the day as the regular court was on recess. The in-charge court grants the petitioner interim bail. The interim bail was subject to one condition, that he shall appear before the concerned court on which day?
2 weeks interim bail was.
2 weeks interim bail was granted and was directed that the petitioner should appear before the,
Appeared on 7th also, my lord.
appear before, on what date, sir?
Yes.
On what date?
On 7th, I appeared, my presence was
Appear
noted.
before the court on
Even appeared before the-
7/3/2026.
Even before I appeared on 7th.
The learned senior counsel submits that the petitioner appeared before the investigating officer on the 7th as well. 7th, on the 7th. The prosecution files an application seeking cancellation of bail, cancellation of interim bail. The concerned court takes up two proceedings together. One, grant of the application seeking regular bail and the application of the prosecution seeking cancellation of bail, and passes a composite order rejecting regular bail and cancelling interim bail. The order,
But along with the memo, I produced.
Memo
the
they
order.
had produced.
a perusal at the order would prima facie indicate that the concerned court has by the impugned order acted as an appellate authority or revisional court beyond a revisional court to the order passed by the in-charge court, while both the jurisdictions are similar. Both the concerned courts are courts of session. What had to be done by the appellate court is done by the court of session itself. However, the act of the petitioner that he has not appeared before the concerned court cannot ease sans countenance, albeit prima facie. Therefore, the petitioner shall appear before the we'll post it on 16th.
Please, my lord.
Shall appear before the regular court on Monday, the 16th, list on Monday in the fresh matters list. Till such time, the petitioner shall not, no arrest or otherwise of the petitioner shall be undertaken by the respondent till the next date.
Grateful.
ಅದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ದೇ ಈಗಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದು ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. This is too much. On merits we'll see.
Please.
7A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಲ್ಗೆ 7A 354A ಇದರಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಲ್ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Yes, next.